Maths Club. I'm your maths tutor Sabha, and today is the second video of our conversion series. And today I'm going to teach you how to convert gram into kilograms, kilograms into grams, and gram into kilograms, and also in grams. And the other thing is why we are using kilograms and grams, and where we are using kilograms and grams. As we know that kilograms and grams are the units of mass and weight, and we are using these units and these measurements to calculate the mass and weight of any body, and it is depending on different things. In some situations we are using our values in gram, and in some situations we are writing our value in kilograms. So let's start the topic. Okay students, first of all I am starting the conversion of kilogram to gram or kg to g. Okay, here I have 8 kg weight of a body, and I am converting this weight into grams. To convert this value into grams, I'm just simply, it is a very easy question, I'm just simply multiplying it with 1000, and I will get 8000 gram. So this is the very easy question. Now I'm convert gram to kilogram. Okay, now for this I have the value which is 9000 gram. Okay, to convert gram into kilogram or g into kg, I'm just dividing this value with 1000. So 9000 divided by 1000, what will I get? 9 gram. So students, you can see it is very easy to convert a kilogram to gram and gram to kilogram. Sorry, I wrote here g, it's not g, it's kilogram. Okay, so I hope you understand it very well. Now I am going to do the third part, which is convert gram into kilogram and gram. Okay, for this purpose I am going to erase this part. If you want to copy down this part, you can pause or stop my video. Okay, now that convert gram to kilogram and gram. Okay, so first of all I am writing the question here. The question is 3750 gram convert into kilogram. Okay, to convert this value into kilogram and gram, first of all I am separating the 1000 value. So this is the 1000 value. I am just separating this from this. This is 3000 plus 750. Okay, now to convert, I am just converting this value into kg, and this value is already in gram. I don't need to convert this in gram. Okay, so to do this I am dividing 3000 with 1000 plus 750 gram. Okay, let's cancel this. Okay, what I will get, let's erase this part. Okay, so what I will get, 3 kg and 750 gram. So this is the answer of a very easy question. I hope students you understand this question very well. The conversions are very easy. Okay, in my next video I will teach you some questions which has decimals and how to convert that value into grams and kilograms. The formulas are same and the procedures will also be same, but I will teach you that question I hope you understand it very well. Okay students, I hope you find this topic very easy for you. If you have any question related to the conversions, or if you want to learn more conversions, you can comment down below. You can email me. I am mentioning my email address in the description box below, and you can also contact me on Instagram. I'm mentioning my Instagram here. So if you have any question related to this topic or any other topic or any other subject, I can also teach you statistics, physics, chemistry. You can contact me on Instagram to learn any other topic on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you are finding my video very helpful for you, then subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share to your friends and class fellows so they can also easily learn these topics. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.